Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make a digital scale with price calculation function. Here I have designed a circuit diagram for our project. Circuit diagram is very simple and consists of only a few components. So after making the circuit diagram, I designed a custom PCB for our project. After making PCB design, I generated Gerber files to order PCBs from JLC PCB. From here you can directly upload your Gerber files to JLC PCB. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, where you can prototype 5 pieces of high quality PCBs within $2 only and 10 pieces of high quality PCBs within $5 only. Now you can avail 24-hour quick turnaround time for PCBs for the same price. Now they are also offering SMT assembly services, so you can avail a $24 coupon for every month for SMT assembly services. They provide multiple payment and shipping methods, so you can choose anyone according to your budget. After uploading Gerber files, you can change some more PCB parameters from here, like PCB thickness and PCB color. So after making all these changes, you can place your PCB order from here. Okay guys, I received our PCBs from JLC PCB. Here is a nice quality keyring. And these are our PCBs. As you can see, the build quality of these PCBs is really great. Here are some components that are required to complete our control board circuit. This is 16 key matrix Arduino keyboard, some male and female header pins, a 100 microfarad capacitor and 220 ohm resistor, 5 mm red LED, 7805 voltage regulator and a DC power jack, Arduino Nano, and here is a 20 kg load cell with HX711 module. And this is our PCB. Now I will solder all these components to our PCB. Okay guys, after soldering all the components, our control board circuit is now complete. So here are all the materials that are required to complete our digital scale machine. This is 12 by 7 inches long piece of wood, and this is 7 by 8 inches long piece of wood. Here are some spacers and screws to attach the load cell with these pieces of wood. This is 20 by 4 line LCD display for Arduino. This is control board circuit, Arduino, load cell and keyboard. I already told you about these components. Now we are going to assemble our digital scale machine. Now we need to attach this load cell here on bigger piece of wood by using this spacer and these screws, like this. And now this piece of wood here by using this spacer and screws. Now we are going to attach keyboard here, control board circuit here, and LCD display here like this. I am using this piece of styrofoam under the keyboard to prevent these wires from cracking. Okay guys, keyboard wires and LCD wires are connected on the control board circuit. Make sure that no wire should connect this platform. So now we are going to burn Arduino code. Here is the Arduino code of our project. The code is very simple. Let me tell you one important thing here. This is calibration factor of the load cell. It will be different for each load cell. So you will need to calibrate your load cell by changing these numbers. Take a 100 gram weight and place it on the scale. Then increase or decrease these numbers accordingly until you get exact 100 grams value on LCD display. You can find more information about this code in video description. After burning Arduino code, connect it with control board circuit. And now connect it with a 9-volt DC power supply source. Okay guys, our digital scale is now complete and ready to use, but before using it, let me explain a few things about this scale. We are not using these 4 function keys, and this key will be used for tare function, and this key will be used to clear the entered price. Currently we have not entered any price, so machine will only display the weight of the object. We can set any price for per kg, and the machine will calculate the total price according to the weight of the object. We can set any price from 0 to 9999 for per kg. And we can clear the entered price by pressing this button. Now we are going to set a price and then we will place an object on the scale. It will automatically calculate its price according to its weight. For example, if we set the price to 1500 and here is a weight. As you can see, the weight of object is 528 grams and price of the object is 792. You can even change the unit price at this moment. Simply press this button and enter a new price. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.